All right, let's start off by getting our brains a little warmed up. Today we have some multiplication practice, and what we're going to do is we're going to look at each array and we're going to find a multiplication sentence that matches the array. So I'm looking here at my first box and I see that there are 3 columns on top. So I'm going to say 3 columns. I have 3 columns. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 5 rows. Now all I need to do to figure out the entire area is multiply the 2. And 3 times 5, everybody, 15. Let's check our next box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 1, 2, 3. I have 4. 4 by 3 gives me 12. Let's see if we were right. That we were. Okay, very good. Okay, let's see if you guys can do these on your own. I have given you the area, but I need you to figure out what goes in my blanks. How many rows, how many columns?